So let's calculate the atomic mass of gallium. To do this, we're going to need to produce a weighted average. We do this by figuring out the contribution of each of the two isotopes. So we're given that there are two isotopes, we're given the mass of each isotope, and we're given its relative abundance. So let's start with the gallium-69. We're going to write down the mass. This is in AMU. And then we're going to multiply by the abundance. The abundance is a percentage, so I'm going to divide that by 100 to get rid of the percentage. And we'll end up with the contribution of that being 41.42 AMU. So that's the contribution from the first one. The second one, we have a different mass. We've got 70.925 AMU times, and we're going to multiply again times its abundance, divide by 100, and we will get 28.30 AMU. All right, so to get the final answer, we're going to add these two numbers up. And when we add those two numbers, we'll get 69.72 AMU. And you can find that number on the periodic table right underneath the symbol for gallium.